Okay, so guys, last time I was here in Mombasa CBD, I wanted, there were construction that were happening here in the Mombasa CBD, and the beautification was happening here in the area of Mwembe Tayari. So today I just came to see if the beautification has continued or it has not continued, yeah? Because sometimes our government has the tendency of starting things, then they take so much time to be completed. So I've decided to come and see for myself if the beautification is done or it's not done. They were trying to do something like this. You can see this beautification. So they were trying to do something like this in Mombasa, so that the whole of this street, which is going to Mwembe Tayari and going to the area of Backless roundabout, all the area could be like this one here. So neat, very beautiful here in Mombasa. So I just want to go to the area of Mwembe Tayari so that I can able to see if they have completed the thing that they started or they have not. Yeah. So right now I'm at Mombasa Mall, just close to Mwembe Tayari. Yeah. So this is how Mombasa looks like. For those people who have not traveled to Mombasa, or for those people who have never been Mombasa, this is Mombasa CBD. Yeah. This is the second biggest, it is the second capital city of Kenya. Yeah. For those people who doesn't know, this is the second capital city of Kenya. For those people who are watching me from abroad, from USA, UK, I know you are watching, this is the second capital city of Kenya, Mombasa. Yeah. So this is the Mombasa Mall. You can see how it is. One of the biggest mall around Mombasa CBD. How's you? Yeah. So I know in Nairobi, people always at the Nairobi CBD, people always take photos. They do the photo business. You pay, then they take photos of you and they hand it to like it's a photography business in Nairobi CBD. But here in Mombasa CBD, watu wamelala manze. I was here last time and I saw some people taking photos around this place, but today sijawaona. So sijui wameenda wapi. I guess they are at the roundabout over there. So this is the Mombasa Mall. You can see how busy the street of Mombasa looks like. Hii ndo Mombasa maza CBD. Hizo ni matatu. Naweza matatu za kwetu. Nairobi kuna manganya. Huku ni hizi matatu na matuktuk. Because Mombasa is a very squeezed town, squeezed city. So having big vehicles like the nganyas will just bring traffic at the CBD. So waliamua tu waende na hizi ndogo ndogo. So yeah, so let's move this side. Okay, you can see here up under you can take some photos. Most of the time always people take photos around this place. Yeah, so this is a nice place to take photos. So most of the people always come here during the holidays to just take photos, videos, because this place is always decorated with some lights. You can see all these good lights, Wow. So this is one of the most place where most of people always come and take photos. No, not wanachukua photos over there. Yeah. So this is the Mombasa Mall roundabout or Mwembe Tayari roundabout. Yeah. Ndio. So this side is the side of Mwembe Tayari. Yeah. Wale watu ambao hawajui, this is the Mwembe Tayari. This is the place where people always come to book some buses going to up country, going to Nairobi. This is the place, yeah. Okay, so this is the place where the beautification, like the one that I've come from, they were doing on this side. But to my shock, they haven't done anything, manze. You can see, they haven't done anything here. So my question is, why have they not completed this project? Because this place here, it was it needed to be like the other one in the other side of Backless, where I've come from. Like they are putting some green carpet over here, but to my shock, they haven't done it. Hawajafanya kitu mazee, wameweka tu hizi curb road. And as I said that our government has the tendency of starting something and it takes so much to be completed. Hata hapa garbage, unaona garbage zimeachwa si fresh mazee. So I think the county government of Mombasa should do this, should make sure that the city is clean. Because guys, this is the city that most of the tourists always visit. It is one of the tourist destinations here in the area of Kenya. Not here in Kenya. Mombasa is the one which is the most visited city in Kenya. So it needs to be clean, bana. Angalia maze. County government of Mombasa need to make sure that this place is clean. Yeah. But yeah, so this place was needed to waeke zile green carpets. Hii place iko beautiful with some good lights. Hizi cables zimejaa katika hizi posts zitolewe. Yani the city to be clean, all the buildings to be painted white and blue. Yani city yani hata ukitembea unafurahi But to my shock they have not completed this place. Ona huku hizi zote ni booking offices booking offices. This side also pia kuna booking offices, so many of them. But this beautification here, it has not been completed. I was here like several months ago and nilidhani nikirudi nitapata kama kila kitu ishatengenezwa. But to my shock maze, bado maze, bado niliacha vile niliacha, ndio iko hivyo. So my question is, why have they not completed this project? That's my question. Why have they not completed this project? Is it because there's no funds to complete the project, or wamesema tu wata complete 2027 mwingine akiingia ama yeye mwenyewe akiendelea? So that's my question, because hii kitu ni kitu ndogo, it's just one street kuweka tu the beautification na hiyo story tumemaliza. But I have seen things like this zimeanza na zikabaki mpaka sasa zijamalizwa. This is still Mwembe Tayari, guys. This is still Mwembe Tayari. You can see on this side we have booking offices kila mahali. Naona paka kuna Mombasa over here. So this is a very nice and beautiful places where most of the people, most of Mombasa residents always come here to book buses to go to upcountry and Nairobi or any other parts of Kenya. They always come here to book some buses. So this place needs to be beautiful, because also I have seen nowadays some wazungus and some tourists always come and book buses and travel with them. So yeah, mazee wakikuja huku mazee, all the tourists, people from different countries, from Uganda, Tanzania, Malawi, Togo, like all the nationalities, when they come to Kenya, when they are traveling with buses, they always come in this place. So this place needs to be clean, need to be beautiful, and all the projects that need to be completed around Mombasa CBD, because Mombasa is the second capital city of Kenya. So that name should be respected. For the second capital city of Kenya, it needs to be respected. So this one is the MASH booking office. It's one of the biggest and beautiful booking offices in Mombasa. Yeah, so that's the MASH buses booking offices. Hii ya huku tuko na Dreamline booking offices, unaipata hapa. But mazee, hii beautification imekaa, unaona paka nyasi zinamea. So it means that it has stayed here for a while, for a very long time, some months. Tangu nikuja hapa nikaangalia kuhusu hii maneno mpaka sasa hii. Okay, so this is the Mwembe Tayari. You can see how it is. Hii yote ni Mwembe Tayari jamaa. And these have not been completed. It's a big shame, because I thought that before December tungekuwa tushamaliza historia kufanya beautification ya hii place, because December is coming. Most of the celebrations and most of the people coming from up countries, Nairobi, always come to the coast to have fun, to celebrate their holidays here. So hii kitu mazee malizo before December mazee. I will be very very happy man when I see this beautification of Mombasa being completed before December, so that when people come to this place, because I know during December hii place itakuwa imejaa maza. Huku kote hii booking offices zote zitakuwa zimejaa na magari, watu wakikuja, wakienda bara, wakikuja Mombasa, itakuwa imejaa. So this place could be very neat, very nice, very beautiful and very clean for the people from other cities or from other towns to come here and enjoy and say that Mombasa kweli ni raha. Si ile story ya kuwa watu wanasema Mombasa ni raha lakini Mombasa si raha. Mombasa ni poa, tourist destination, best tourist destination, and also Mombasa ni raha. Wakiona iko clean, wakiona iko beautiful, sifa zote zinaturudia, au sio? Yeah, so this side you can see this is the Mwembe Tayari, also Mwembe Tayari roundabout. Hii ni place ya MPC Church. That's the MPC Church. Unaona hapa hivi mambo ni fresh. Unaona hiyo roundabout? Huh? This roundabout is one of the best. Mimi napenda hiyo art hapo juu. Yeah. You see that? Unaona hiyo maneno? I just love this. Yeah. I love this nice over here. This is big. So yeah guys, this is the side of Mwembe Tayari. I wanted to come and show you guys what I've seen because I was eager to see if they have completed this project of the beautification of Mombasa, but they have not. They have not completed. So I think the county government of Mombasa should consider making sure that this beautification are very important to the city because they bring up amazing face to our city. Yeah, you can see all these buses coming from up countries. Yeah, this is Tamid bus. Yeah, so I was saying that these beautifications that are happening in Mombasa, they are very important because most of the officials take them lightly, but they are always very, very much important because they always show the face and make the city to be very beautiful. Yeah, so it is very important for the city to be clean and also beautiful. Yeah, two faces. When the tourists come to Mombasa, when they pass through the CBD, they're just amazed because most of the biggest cities in Kenya, not Kenya, biggest cities in the world, they're always very beautiful. Yeah, so kama tunataka kufika Singapore, lazima paka tuanze na nyumbani mwanzo, tukufanya kila kitu kuwe poa, kila kitu kuwe safi, beautiful. Yeah, so the county government of Mombasa make sure that mmemaliza your project and everything is well. So thank you guys so much for watching the videos, and now you have seen and I've updated you about what is happening here in Mombasa in terms of the projects that started in the Mombasa CBD, the beautification of Mombasa CBD, and that's how it is. So I'll be coming here next time so that I can able to see if they have completed the project or bado inahang paka 2027. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.